Hi, here today we're showing the Amada HFA 250W programmable 1.25 inch blade. Just been through the shop and rebuilt. This is a 2011. Vices are full stroke hydraulic. Almost finished with this. There's still a cover got to go on. We're going to cut metal and calibrate this in to factory standards. Come around back. See how clean everything is. This isn't just clean. We've gone in and replaced any hoses, seals, wires as needed. We're going to get a new pulley in here. We don't like that. Just finished it. There's your hydraulic chip conveyor. Coolant pump's going to be checked out. Make sure everything's running okay. Thanks for viewing our 2011 Amada HFA 250W. And that would be serial number 9007 it ends with. We have two of them. Thanks for viewing.